Hello everybody, just a quick update for you. I've been out buying things unfortunately, but we've got ourselves a little hob. Now, obviously it's only portable at the moment, but it's something to get the kettle on with, which just happens to be tiny and cute, but it'll do us for now. Holds a couple of mugs worth of water, but seems to work fine. So we've got that set up. Now also, just in case, and it's always handy, I bought myself a new OBD reader for reading any error codes out in the van, because I do have a boost leak on it, which I might have found the problem, might not have done, but made a small repair, so we're going to see what happens on that and give it a go. But it's always handy to keep one around, and they're cheap enough nowadays anyway, so not too bad. Good little haul for the first start of it. So soon, time for the first brew in the van, I think. So I think what may have been the cause of the boost leak was this pipe that comes off the turbo. Now it's supposed to actually sit directly onto the turbo. You've got two slots, top and bottom here, and the spring actually uses a notch on the turbo to actually clip it on and stop it from blowing off. Now this edge here was actually split and broken, so I've actually repaired that, possibly permanently, possibly temporary, and we'll see if that will actually fix the boost leak. But it should have also been bolted down, which it wasn't, which I don't think was helping matters much at all. So we'll try that again tomorrow, and hopefully we've got a fix on it. Now, a bit of a play and a little CAD software, I come up with a bit of an idea for the layout for the inside of the van. I think we're thinking at the moment, I have two bench seats either side at the back of the van near the double doors, with a table in the middle. Now this table then will convert down, drop in between the two, and these cushions then will push together and give us the bed going straight across the back. Obviously, being a smaller van, don't really want a fixed bed in there to give us a bit more versatility, and not really a fan of the rock and roll beds because it does take a bit too much room at the back. Now what I've actually put in here as well, a little bit of a unit which will have a little tiny sink in there, got a portable burner that'll go in there that you've already seen, and we've got some options to sort of move things around and sort of give us a bit more space around, sort of play with it for storage and things like that. But as a first idea I thought it's not too bad, and you can probably get it in the background, but the 3D printer is actually growing a new little bit for the back of the van just as a test. It's actually missing the little check strap handles on the back doors, so I'm just printing one out, see if it works. If it does, I'll print another one for the other side. So there you go, quick update on what's going on with the van. A few bits and bobs coming along, but we'll keep it going and we'll see what we can do with it. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get some decent weather, we'll be able to get out and see what the boost leak's like, see if I fix that. And say, fingers crossed, we'll have something that we can start doing the conversion on. But watch this space, like I say, like, subscribe, comment below, and we'll see you again very soon.